In this video, let's get to know how you can perform incremental migration with AVAMIGRATRON. With our incremental migration feature, ensure no data is lost during the process, thereby reducing downtime and facilitating smooth collaboration. Here, you can review all your Slack channel data that has been successfully migrated to Teams. Once migrated, you may observe some message regrowth during the migration process. To migrate these additional messages, we'll need to take inventory of the same channel again to fetch the up-to-date inventory data. Let's now proceed with the demonstration of migrating these additional messages. To begin, navigate to the Inventory module on the AVAMIGRATRON menu bar and select Detailed Inventory. Click on Start Inventory, and here you can take custom inventory of specific channels, DMs, and MMs for those additional messages. Upload the filled template with necessary details, such as chat ID and name, using the export details from the high-level inventory. Once the assessment is completed, you can view an overall summary along with the inventory status. Next, navigate to the Migration tab and select Channel Migration. Select the previous migration account type you chose. Let's opt for Service Account Migration. Navigate to the Content Migration page, and you can customize the migration date as needed. Now select the inventory to be migrated. You can either schedule the migration or start the migration process immediately. Monitor the current migration progress by clicking Refresh to view the updated status. When migrating data using the latest inventory, only the additional messages compared to the previous inventory will be migrated. And there you go. All your last-minute data is migrated effortlessly with AVAMIGRATRON. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.